Today I'm going to show you how to make a mobile video in Canva. So let's click on mobile video. Canva takes a little bit of time to load, but please be patient. So once that's loaded, you'll see that there's a blank page. I'm making a mock-up of a laptop, so I'm typing in mock-up in templates. You'll see that there's some pro versions and free ones, so just pick whatever works best for you. So right now I'm just searching for a laptop and I found one, so I'm going to drag it, or you can simply click it and it will appear. So I want a blank canvas minus the laptop, so I'm just deleting everything, including the video that comes with it. So next what I want is a pink background, so I'm going to type in pink underneath elements. You see underneath all you'll get all sorts of elements, but if you want just photos, click on photos. You'll see that there's loads of different ones I could add, light pink, dark pink, and I could drag it to wherever I want, but I want this third one. So right click and press replace background and then delete the rest. So now that I've got my lovely background, I want some text. So if you go on the left hand side and press text, you should see a text box appear, so you can either drag it or just click it, and I'm going to add the text that I want, which is customize, and then underneath I want folder icons. So now I'm just going to adjust the text box so that it fits nicely onto the page. So I want the second part to be bold, so I've just highlighted it and pressed bold. And I'm just increasing the size to how I like it. Alternatively, if you want to make something bold, you can press Command and B and it will automatically make it bold. So the next thing I want is an apple. So I'm going to type in apple and then go to all, so I can actually find apple the brand rather than apple the fruit. So I'm just dragging that on here and then adjusting everything to how I want it. So I'm going to make the apple a bit smaller and then drag it into the middle, and you'll see when everything's completely aligned there'll be a vertical line down the center of your page. So now that I've aligned everything to where I want it to be, I'm going to change the color. So if we press this A, and then you'll see a lovely thing that Canva does is that it selects the colors from your photo and gives you all the colors there, so if you wanted to match anything to your background you could easily do it. As you can see here, there's loads of different presets that Canva comes with, which is really nice for designers because you don't have to worry about which colors are complementary because Canva comes with it all. So these are the colors that I've selected, and now I'm going to change the color of the apple. I can also change the color of the laptop, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make everything match and look complementary. So now I'm just changing the grey, and I'm changing the other shades of grey to shades of pink and purple that I would like. So now that that's done, I'm just realigning everything quickly and making sure everything is perfect. What I'm going to do is exit my browser and go onto File and make a new folder. So you select, and then I'm going to name this one Happy Folder. Now I want to change the photo. As you can see, I've just shown you one that I've done previously, and that's what I want it to look like. So we're going to go onto Unsplash, which is a great website where you can find free photos. So I'm going to type in icon, which is something that you might want to do to find the icon that you want for your folder, or alternatively, since this is a happy folder, I'm going to type in happy and see what comes up and see if I like anything. So as you can see, there's some paid photos at the top, and you can organize it by relevance and by color. So you'll see that there's loads of options to choose from, different sizes and orientations. So I like this one here with the balloon, so I'm going to choose this one and press download. Make sure that you save it to your desktop. I'm going to name it so I can find it very easily. So once that's downloaded, just minimize the tab and you'll see that the photo should be on your desktop. Next, you want to click it, press Command A followed by Command C. Now minimize or exit the photo. We're clicking on the folder so you can see there's nothing inside, so right click, go to Get Info, and we're just going to drag it so you can see, press that folder icon there in the corner and press Command V to paste. Now you'll see that the photo has changed, and if we click on the folder, there's nothing inside, but the photo has completely changed and it's exactly what we wanted. Now I'm going to select the video from my desktop and just drag it onto Canva, and you'll see on the left hand side underneath uploads, and then if you go to videos, your video will be uploading over there. Uploads, you should see your video, and drag it to the laptop, and if we drag the video you can see everything is all in place. So now if we zoom in, you can zoom in, zoom out, whatever you'd like. You can see how the video would look up close and on a phone. So you can see that the video I uploaded is all there. So now what I want to do is animate. I want to animate the part that says customize. So I'm going to click animate up at the top, and you'll see there are some that are free and some that are reserved for Canva Pro. So just choose whatever works best for you. Next I'm going to animate the apple. So I'm going to choose an animation that I like, and I like the rise animation. If you press the button at the top which has a play button, right after share, you can preview it or you can download it, and you can download it as a photo or a video, and it should download directly to your desktop. I hope that was informative. Bye!